Everyone starts somewhere. For many, it's minimum wage, a paycheck that barely covers the basics. But what if that's just the first rung on a much bigger ladder? Climbing from survival mode to financial freedom isn't about luck or overnight success. It's about understanding how income levels work and how to level up, one smart move at a time. In this video, we'll break down the income ladder, from hourly wages to scalable income streams, and show you exactly how to rise, step by step. If you're ready to stop trading time for too little money and start building real wealth, stay tuned. Today we will talk about the income ladder, from minimum wage to financial freedom. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. Understanding the income ladder. Think of income as a ladder. Minimum wage is the first rung. Every step you take, learning a skill, changing jobs, starting a side hustle, is like climbing to the next level. The higher you climb, the more control you gain over your life. More income means more freedom, more options, and more security. But it doesn't happen overnight. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about making smarter moves, building habits that pay off, and working your way up with intention. Let's break down how to do it, starting from the bottom and moving toward true financial freedom. Level 1. Survival mode. This is where most people begin. You're working for hourly pay. Your main focus is covering rent, food, transportation, and maybe a few extras. There's little room for savings. Any emergency, like a car repair or medical bill, throws you off track. The goal at this level isn't to get rich, it's to survive while planning your next move. Start by tracking every dollar. Know where your money is going. Cut non-essentials. Use budgeting apps to stay on track. Build a tiny emergency fund, even if it's just $100. It gives you breathing room and prevents debt from building. This is also the stage where mindset matters most. You have to believe your current situation isn't permanent. Many people stay stuck here because they think it's the best they can do. Don't fall into that trap. Level 2. Learning high-value skills. The fastest way out of minimum wage is by learning a skill that pays more. You don't need a college degree. Many high-income skills can be learned online for free or cheap. Think graphic design, coding, digital marketing, copywriting, video editing, sales, or customer support. Platforms like Coursera, YouTube, Skillshare, and Udemy offer affordable courses. Dedicate 30 minutes to 1 hour daily to learning. Practice consistently. Build a simple portfolio, even if it means doing small projects for free at first. The point is to become valuable. Employers and clients don't care where you learned your skill. They care if you can solve a problem. Focus on being useful, not just qualified. Level 3. Upgrading jobs or starting freelance work. Once you've learned a skill, it's time to level up your income. Apply for better paying jobs, even if they're entry level in a new field. The goal is to get in and grow from there, or start freelancing on the side. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer let you earn from your skill without needing full-time employment. You won't get rich right away, but making an extra $200 to $500 per month can change everything. It allows you to save, invest, and build a cushion. This is when momentum starts to build. If you're still working your old job, keep it while freelancing on the side. Use your free time wisely. This dual income phase is where you gain the power to escape the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Level 4. Building multiple income streams. Once you have one skill making money, add a second stream. This could be a new freelance service, a side hustle like selling on Etsy or eBay, or even starting a YouTube channel or blog. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to start. More income streams mean more stability. If one stream dries up, you have others to fall back on. It also allows you to save more aggressively, invest more consistently, and eventually reduce your dependency on active work. This is where many people discover the power of ownership, owning your time, owning your work, owning your results. When you stop relying on a single employer for income, you start taking control of your future. Level 5. Saving and investing wisely. You can't reach financial freedom by earning alone. You also have to manage and grow your money. That means saving aggressively, avoiding unnecessary debt, and investing early. Start with a savings target. Aim to save at least 20% of your income, even if you have to start lower. Automate your savings so you don't spend it before you save it. Then focus on investing. Use simple strategies like index funds or ETFs. Use apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Vanguard to get started. The earlier you invest, the more your money grows. Compound interest does the heavy lifting over time. Even $100 per month invested consistently can grow into tens of thousands in the long run. Level 6. Creating passive income. Passive income is money you earn without trading your time for every dollar. It could come from investments, rental income, selling digital products, running a monetized blog, or creating a YouTube channel. Passive income takes time to build, but once it starts flowing, it gives you more freedom. At this stage, your focus shifts from working more to working smarter. You use the money you earn to build income sources that pay you without constant effort. That's how you transition from just surviving to thriving. It's not magic. It's math, patience, and strategy. Level 7. Reaching financial freedom. Financial freedom doesn't mean you're a millionaire. It means your income, especially passive income, covers your living expenses. You don't have to work unless you want to. You can choose projects, take breaks, travel, or focus on what matters most to you. Getting here takes time, but every step counts, every extra dollar saved, every new skill learned, every side hustle started. These aren't just small wins. They're investments in your freedom. Once your expenses are low and your income is steady, you're not just free. You're powerful. You've escaped the paycheck-to-paycheck trap. You've climbed the ladder. Don't compare. Stay focused. It's easy to feel behind when you see people online claiming to make 6 figures in 6 months. Ignore the noise. Most of that is hype. Real progress is steady, not flashy. Focus on your path. Measure your growth month by month, not against strangers on the internet. Remember, growth doesn't always look like a straight line. Some months you'll feel stuck. Some ideas will fail. That's part of the process. What matters is staying in the game. Small wins create big results. If you're earning minimum wage now, your goal isn't to jump straight to 6 figures. Your first goal might just be to earn $100 more per week, then $500, then $1,000. These small jumps make a big difference over time. The real wealth is control. The higher you climb the income ladder, the more control you have over your time, energy, and future. You don't feel trapped in a job you hate. You don't panic over bills. You can support your family, invest in yourself, and enjoy life on your terms. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.